Okay, here it is in action. We've got the solar heater tied into my hot tub. My hot tub's at 76 degrees and there's 105 degrees coming out of the solar heater right now with I got partial sun. When the sun comes out it gets much hotter, so we'll give it a couple hours and see how much it comes up. Yeah, I just put the one side of the hose in one of my jets, just shoved right in there, no problem, and then the other end just is going into the hot tub. So you don't need any extra pumps or anything to run this with the hot tub.